The first step is to unscrew the 4 screws on the side of the gun head. The second step is to place the bracket into the slot and tighten the screws to secure the bracket. Remove the lens cap. There is a start button on the bottom of the handheld marking machine. Press and hold it to start engraving. Turn on the power outlet. Plug one end of the power cord into the outlet and then plug the other end into the power strip. Activate emergency stop, then activate the button. Check the battery level in the lower left corner of the screen. If it's below 30%, you'll need to plug it in. If it's at 100%, you can unplug the power cord. The internal battery has power, so it doesn't need to be plugged in. To find the focus, first add text, click Add, select Fixed Text, and click OK, then click Fill, then Enable. You can adjust the line spacing and angle. Check Continuous Engraving, and then click Engraving. Hold down the start button and observe the light output. Adjust the side screws to find the strongest light output, then tighten the screw. After finding the focus, stop carving and check Continuous Carving, and then click Carve. Sculpture Display. To set the power and speed, click Settings, then click Pen. The default value for pen is 0. You can adjust the mark speed setting according to your needs. The other parameters do not need to be changed. This is the power setting. Decreasing the power value will result in a weaker light, while increasing the value will result in a stronger light. We don't need to adjust the other parameters. To add text settings, click on Text, then click Add. You can add text, dates, times, serial numbers, and files. Next, we'll add fixed text. Click to edit the text content, then click OK. Clicking the magnifying glass will show that the font is currently hollow. To fill it, click Fill, then Enable. You can then adjust the line spacing and angle. Finally, click OK. Sculpture Display. To add a QR code, click QR code, then Add, then click Text to enter the QR code content. Click Enter, where you can select the encoding method and settings as needed. After selecting, click Enter, and you will see a QR code. After zooming in with the magnifying glass, you'll see the QR code is dotted. We need to modify it. Select Normal, press Enter, and return to the previous screen. You'll see the QR code is now hollow. Click Fill, then Enable, and check Overall Calc Note. Text not checked. Press Enter to complete the QR code setup. Sculpture display. To import from an external USB drive, plug the USB drive into the USB port. Click Image, then click Open File. Locate the inserted USB drive. Find the file you want to tag, and press Enter. The required formats are PLT, DXF, JPG, PNG, and BMP. Use the magnifying glass to zoom out on the area to be marked. If the pattern is too large, you can adjust the size on the right. Click on the desired area, then click Fill, and then click Enable. To save the file, we need to save the content we want to print. We click Save, and at the bottom of the screen, we enter the desired file name after entering it. After clicking Enter, we're redirected back to the screen, where we can see that the file name in the upper left corner has changed to the new name. To delete a saved file, click File, locate the saved file, and then click Delete. Sculpture display.